Alright guys, thank you for tuning into the channel. This is a 1956 Chevy pickup. I'm going to show you quick stuff on the interior. It's a diamond tug. This thing is beautiful, nice and comfy. Beautiful paint job. And I'm going to show you this 454 in there. Power steering, and a nice booster for the brakes. You got the electric fan, so that helps you out to keep it nice and cool. It's a great combination with the rally wheels in it. You got the big window. Step side. You got some of the undercoating, so you can still utilize it. If you have any questions, you can reach me back at 619-204-1190, and let's make a deal today.